Tokabe.
First time ng Team Ganyap. Laktaw-taw, Bonbus, Lagmaw, Sanggalang at Fulgencio. Pasok. Okay, Lagmaw, between Turingan, jump off. Hop, tapingan ako ng Wagi. Ano ngayon ni Fulgencio? Sanggalang, Fulgencio. Pass inside, reverse, no good, rebound grabs by Catalan. Pass to Tokaben. Here comes Makogi. Tokaben, pull up jumper, no good. Rebound by India. Sanggalang. Bonbus making this move. No good, rebound by Catalan. Pass break to Tokaben. Tokaben all alone, 2 points. Tokaben. Bonbus 4-3. No good, rebound by Tokaben. Pass to Aquino. Tupaluyo. Pass inside to Catalan. Pass to Turingan. To Tokaben, fakes. Tokaben, pass to Aquino. Wide open. No good, rebound by last touch. Team Balok. Ball. Sanggalang. 15 seconds to shoot. Sanggalang tumira 3 points. Unang puntos para sa Balok. Here comes Tokaben. Tokaben reverse block by save on. Aquino running the ball to Catalan. Pull up jumper, 2 points. Catalan. Sanggalang. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass inside, intercepted by Catalan. Catalan to Tokaben. Tokaben, 2 points.
Tokabe.
Tokaben siya pero tama Tokabe.
Fulgencio fakes. Nakataw, hiniwang. Baluyon. Pass to Turingan. Turingan, pull up jumper. Ini na rebound by. Intercepted by Turingan. Turingan. Bad pass. Turingan, 2 points.
Ilalim.
Sanggalang. Pass to Lagmaw. Pass inside, pull headshot to strong rebound grabs by Aquino to Tokaben. Tokaben making his move. Tokaben, 2 points. Tokaben. Sanggalang. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Here comes Fulgencio, guarding by Baluyo. Pass to Sanggalang, fakes. Sanggalang drives. Huli ka balbon. Here comes Tokaben. Fulgencio. Intercepted. Laktaw-taw. Pass inside. 2 points. Lagmaw. to Catalan. Catalan pull up 2 points. Catalan. Corpus. Pass to Lactao for 3. Too strong rebound by Corpus. Put back 2 points. Corpus. Here comes Aquino. Aquino, pass to Tomen, wide open. Ay, nilawapan.
Sayang.
Corpus up, there's a reset. Foul jersey number 77, Aquino, holding foul. First personal foul, Aquino, first team foul, holding 55. Here comes Sangala, 15 to shoot, intercepted, nakuha kayo ni Turingan. Here comes Turingan. Turingan, pass to Tocaben, 2 points, Tocaben. Scoring machine talaga sa Tocaben. Corpus, diretso, may tawag sa ref. Foul jersey number 5, Catalan, hit foul, 2 shots. Substitution. Catalan now, Abraham Harvey. Hindi pumasok muna. Hindi pa rin pumasok. Abraham to Aquino. Pass to Abraham. Abraham hindi pumasok. Niraribaw na kuha kayo ni Corpus. Corpus na mabilis. Corpus. Here comes Aquino. Aquino to Turingan. Hindi pumasok. Niraribaw na kuha kayo ni Turingan. Turingan pass to Abraham. 2 points. Lactao draw 3. Here comes Sangala, pass to hindi pa rin pasok, niraribaw na kuha kayo ni Tocaben, pass break to Aquino. Aquino, 2 points.
Tama.
Back to the ball game. Corpus, pass to Sangala. Back to Corpus, 15 seconds to shoot. Guarded by Guillermo. Pass to Fulgencio, to Lactao down. Hindi masuk nila rebound by Abraham. To Guillermo. Guillermo, oy! Pass. Napapasok wala. Turnover na. Corpus. Corpus, pass to Lactao to Fulgencio face. Fulgencio, to Lactao down for 3. Short rebound by Corpus. Put back, wala pa rin rebound na kuha kayo ni Abraham. Oy, may tawag sila. Foul jersey number 1, hit foul. Abraham, bulok jumper, hindi pumasok rebound. Catalan, put back 2 points. Catalan. Lembao, 15 seconds to shoot. Lembao sharing the play. Lembao cross. Pass to Corpus. Lactao down. Uy, Sangala, 2 points. Last 3 minutes to play. Here comes Guillermo. Guillermo Catalan. Catalan pass to Barangan. Barangan pass to Peron. 10 seconds to shoot. Guillermo pass to Barangan for 3. Barangan 3 points. Foul jersey number 10, holding foul. First personal foul. First 13 foul. 13 foul. Sanggalang. Pass to Corpus. Corpus to Sanggalang. 4-3. Too strong rebound by Veron. Here comes the holding big right to Abraham. Abraham fires up. There's the missile. Who's fouled it? Foul jersey number 4, Corpus. 9 foul. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots for Miguel Abraham. Sana una. Centro. Pumasok. Corpus, pass to Sanggalang. Sanggalang, oy! There's a whistle.
Galing mag-move mo.
Foul jersey number 11. Illegal use of hands, 2 shots. First personal foul, Barangan, warning for penalty, call to 55. Masok muna. Okay, pumasok. To make a move. Last 2 minutes and 10 seconds to play. Guillermo. Pass to Barangan. Barangan. Oh, tawag sa ref. Foul jersey number 7. Hit foul. First personal foul, 13 foul. Intercepted ng Corpus. Uy, napakabos ni Barangan. Barangan, pasok na lang. To Perron. Oh, may tawag sa ref. Foul jersey number 4. Illegal use of hands, 2 shots. Second personal foul, running for penalty, Kobe. 2 shots for Perron. Short. Centro. Okay, pumasok ang pangalawa. Score na tonight, 25-14. 11-point lead for Kobe 55. Corpus drives. Corpus pass to Lactaw to Paul Henshaw inside. Number 3, rebound by Abrano. Pass break to Barangan. Oy, masyado mabilis. Corpus making his move, huh? Foul jersey number 71, Guillermo, penalty situation.
Aga naman. Aga pa tambay ko bukas. Saan makagay? Sige.
Guillermo. Pass to Barangan. Continue to shoot. Barangan cross. Barangan drives. Oh, wow. Who's fouled it? Foul. Henshaw. Rahano. Rabiti. Verona. Bostos.
Rabbit.
Kalau masuk, sorry. Here comes Lemau, 2 points. Guillermo pass to Bustos, layup, 2 points. Bustos. Lemau kembali pas to Parejo. Last touch. Parejo. 10 seconds to shoot. Here comes Corpus. Corpus drives foul. Basket counted. Foul jersey number 11. Hit foul. Second personal foul. Barangan. Penalty situation.
Rapid, harapan ng pwesto mo.
Masuk.
Guillermo, si Rapid.
Guillermo, pass to Arabin. Arabin for 3. Lagot, rebound, drives high. Okay. Arabin violation. Catalan, balik the ball. Pass to Guillermo. 10 seconds to shoot. Guillermo, pass to Bustos. Bustos, pass to Catalan. Hindi masuk putback, 2 points, Catalan. Corpus, last 10 seconds. Corpus, turnover.
Rapid.
Last 8 seconds. Guillermo, passing side, intercepted the possession, last 4 seconds. Good. Catalan. And the first quarter score 19-20 in favor of. Back to the ball game.
Hindi niya sinabi. Wala na ang gana.
Calvin Bond. Bustos. Pass to Arabin for 3. Short rebound nakuha ngayon ng Team Balok. Pass play. Igro, napakabilis Igro. Hoy, napit ang bola. Calvin 55 ball. Bustos, pass to Turingan. To Arabin once again. Wala pa rin. Rebound nakuha ngayon ni jersey number 4 ng Italia.
Pero mas malaki, no? Pero mas malaki.
15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Floater. Hindi masuk tira rebound ng mga parehang Team Balok. Putback, wala pa rin. Rebound. Comprado pass inside. Hindi masuk tira rebound ng mga ngayon ni Turingan. Turingan pass. Hindi mo masuk. Who's fouled? Foul jersey number 04.
Rapid.
Masuk ang unang free throw ni Aaron. Sala ang pangalawa. Lauria drives, hindi masuk. Putback, huli naman ball. Here comes Miguel Labrano, pass back to Bustos. Layup, 2 points. Bustos. Tigulo making his move. Tigulo drives, 2 points. Tigulo. Pass back to Bustos. Masyadong nasa-pasa. Tigulo, set the play. Tigulo cross. Tigolo drives 2 points. Tigolo. Am. Abid pass to Meron for 3. Nag-dribble na ang timbalang pass break naman dito kay Tigolo. Tigolo fakes. Tigolo punch. Too strong rebound by Rason. 15 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Hindi pumasok tira rebound na kawa ngayon ni Toringan. Toringan nag-mabilis. Toringan pass to Abrahalo. 2 points. Score natin ay 35-23. Intercepted by Arabin. Arabin pass to Meron. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Arabin. Arabin for 3. Wala pa rin rebound na ako ni Abrahalo. Put back 2 points. Abrahalo. Razon making his move. 15 seconds to shoot. To Ilaria drives. Hindi masuk rebound by Toringan. Toringan nag-mabilis. Toringan pass inside to Bustos. Basket count. Basket count. Foul jersey number 8. Pushing foul. 2 shots. Masuk bonus shot.
Lauria.
Razon. 15 seconds to shoot. Ilaria. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass inside. 2 points. For 3. Arabi 3. Pass inside, Razon, 2 points. Bukan Toringan. Toringan, 2 points. Razon, pass into the middle. Intercepted by Arabi. Bukan Fakol Bintikan. Arabi pass to Abrahalo to Meron. Foul. Basket counted. Basket count. Foul jersey number 7. Shot. Ilaria. Razon up. Stop. Substitution. Tigolo. Pass inside. Intercepted by Arabi. Pass break to Bustos. Bustos fires. Basket counted. Basket count. Foul jersey number 7. Second personal foul. Running for penalty. Seconds to shoot. Pass inside, reversing. Dimas Mendera di mana oleh Bustos. Pass break to Toben. consecutive points. Comprado. Pass to Tigulo. Tigulo matake foul. Basket counted. Basket count. Foul jersey number 30. Arabit. Illegal offense. First personal foul substitution. Gusto sound. Indian boy. Nakakadami ka na daw kasi kaya nilabas ka na.
Kapwa. Number 17.
Hindi pumasok rebound na ako nito.
Boss.
To Guillermo, tutok men. Pass to Arabit for 3. In and out, rebound na ako ngayon ng Team Balok. 2 points. Guillermo, pass to Abraharo, shoot. Uy, pass na pala yun. 2 points, Arabit. Score na tonight, 31-60. 29-point lead para sa Colby 55. Here comes Lomboy, drives, 2 points, Lomboy.
Galing.
Guillermo, pass to Abraharo, 2 points, Abraharo. Lumilipat si Miguel. Pass, 2 points, jersey number 90. Guillermo, pass to Arabit, time out!
Yun na rin alam nila. Wala nang gana.
Cruz, send the play. Cruz umatake. 2 points. Cruz. Tukapen, hindi masang tira-rebound ako ngayon. Ang Team Balok. Pass to Toscan. Cruz. Cruz umatake. Pass to jersey number 9. Hindi masang tira-rebound ako. Lumboy, huli ka balbon. Put back, 2 points. Score na tonight, 39-64. In favor of the team. Colby 55. Guillermo tumira 3. Hindi masang tira-rebound ako ng Team Balok. Toscan. Pass to Pingol. Pingol matake. Hindi masang tira-rebound ako ni Arabit. Arabit pasok na lang. Catalan derecho. 2 points. Catalan. Cruz. Single. 18 seconds to shoot.
Arabit taga Villaquezon nga pala yan. Pinaglaro yan. Shooter yan doon.
Okay. Nakuha ngayon ni Tokaben. Tokaben. Bumali pa. 2 points. Tokaben.
Shooter doon yan.
Puno sa area. Cruz set the play. Cruz, oy! Safe foot landing. Traveling violation.
Bawi yung kanina. Alam ko na boss kung tagasan yan. Taga Villaquezon.
Sapang.
4-3. Hindi mo sa tira rin.
Pangkawayan.
Cruz, pass to Lumboy. Lumboy, pass to Pimol. Pimol fires. Hindi mo sa Pimol pa rin. Pass inside. Lumboy reverse. Hindi mo sa tira rin. Nakuha ngayon. Toscan. Hindi pa rin pasok tira. Hindi pa rin pasok rebound. Nakuha ngayon ni Arabit. Pass break to Kaben. To Kaben. Hindi masok. Pingol, pass to Toscan, 2 points. Atala.
Set mo. Okay, set mo.
Guillermo. 15 seconds to shoot. Guillermo pass to Aquino, pass inside. Catalan, 2 points. Score na tonight, 41-70. 29-point lead. That's 35 seconds.
Tres.
Basket tuloy ang tres. Hindi masok tira rebound na mga ngayon. Ilong boy, okay, foul. Foul jersey number 30, Arabit. First personal foul. Ay, second personal foul, second team foul. Longboy. Longboy, turn around shot. Pass to Sarmiento, 2 points.
That's out.
Last 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Guillermo Torino. Pass to Tocaben. Tocaben for 3. Tocaben, 3. Gavin. Pass inside, up. Convention, 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to jersey number 15. Pass to Razon. Razon fires in. Di ba sa rebound by 3. Pass break to Guillermo. Guillermo to Barangan. Oy, out of bounds. Jersey number 15, passing side. Uy, di masuk tira rebound ng mga parehan ng Timbalo. Intercepted by Barangan. Barangan to Guillermo, 2 points. Guillermo.
Kinansir din.
15 to shoot. Gabriel fires in. Di masuk tira rebound ng mga ngayon. Baluyot. Pass break to Barangan. Pass to Guillermo to Barangan. Yun, 2 points. Barangan.
Sana kaya ginawa nyo ng ano eh, ng commercial eh.
Champion sana. Full hands and drives in. Di masuk tira rebound ng mga ngayon. Baluyot. Baluyot. Pass break to Guillermo. Guillermo pass to Aquino. To Baluyot. Baluyot pull up jumper. Rebound ng mga ngayon ni Pulecho. Pass to MJ Colette. 15 seconds to shoot.
Katay.
3 points.
Fulgencio.
15 seconds to shoot. Aquino, pass to Turingan. To Barangan, bumawi ng 3. Masyadong nakas rebound by Villanueva at Fulgencio. Here comes Fulgencio. Fulgencio intercepted by Barangan. Here comes the call with 55. Oy, nice defense. Fulgencio wide open for 3. Short rebound by Baluyot. Pass to Aquino. Oy, 3 seconds violation. Nangitlog si Barangan tsaka si Turingan.
Hindi na kayo umalis dyan, ha?
Razon. Passenger si number 15, 2 points. Here comes Guillermo. Pass to Turingan, to Barangan, to Baluyot. Baluyot, pass to Aquino. Aquino for 3. Short rebound by Fulgencio. Oy, rebound bola, out of bounds. Guillermo, pass to Turingan. Pass to Barangan. Barangan to Turingan. Oy, 3 seconds violation. Dalawang beses na yan, Aaron. Pwede mo lang almusan yan bukas. Razon, pass to Guillermo. Villanueva, matake, Villanueva drives, hindi masok tira, put back by Bulecho, wala pa rin limaw na kuha ngayon ni Guillermo. Guillermo, pass to Aquino. Two points, Barrangan. Villanueva, 2 points. Last 6 minutes to play. Baluyo, 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Barrangan. Hindi mo masok tira ni Bang nakakuha ngayon ng Villanueva. Pass play to Fulgencio. Fulgencio, 2 points. Score natin ay 79-52. Mga pamana po ang nakalamangan ng Corbin 55. Jersey number 15, Noy. Nice nila nakakuha ngayon ng Barrangan. Pass break to Toringan. Toringan to Barrangan. 2 points. Barrangan. Ayos siya. Fulgencio, 2 points. Fulgencio. To shoot for 3. Guillermo, 3. Proper.
Hindi naman nakunan.
Turingan out. Barrangan out. Yan, dua pa sa teka ang kalamangan. Sanggala. Pass to Villaroso. Pass to Lactaw-Taw. Pull up chopper. 2 points. Lactaw-Taw. Guillermo for 3. Hindi masang rebound ako ni Villaroso. Pass break to Tigolo. Tigolo matake. 2 points. Tigolo. Guillermo. 15 seconds to shoot. Catalan. 2 points. Catalan. Villaroso. Pass to Lugmao. Lugmao 5. Passing counted. Foul jersey number 7. Baluyo foul. Ay 7, sorry. Pumasok ang bonus shot. Score natin ay 61-86. Guillermo. Pass to Bustos. Back to Guillermo. Pass to Caben. To Caben. 2 points. Here comes Tigolo. Uy, what a fake. 2 points.
Fake news.
Nadali ang fake news. Last 3 minutes and 20 seconds to play. Catalan for 3. Hindi masok tira rebound by Lugmao. Pass sa Sanggala. Sanggala tumira 3. 3 points. Last 3 minutes. Here comes Guillermo. Pass to Bustos. Bustos tumira 3. Hindi masok tira rebound ng Team Palo. Foul jersey number 77, Aquino. Holy foul. Second personal foul. First team foul. Tigolo. Pass to Guillermo, pass to Toben. Toben to Aquino. Aquino, pass to Catalan. Hindi masok tira-rebound na kuha ngayon ng Team Balok. Ito na si Lugmao. Lugmao drives 2 points. Lugmao. Here comes Guillermo. Guillermo to Toben. To Caben. Fires up. There's the reason. Who's foul rep? Foul jersey number 7. Line foul, 2 shots. Pumasok ulit. Pasok din si Bella ng kalamangan. Ito na ngayon si Lugmao. Continue to shoot. Lugmao fakes. Oy! Step out of bounds. Ay, 3 seconds violation pala. Sorry. Nakita eh. Here comes Bustos. Layup. 2 points. Bustos. Naagaw na naman ito kami. Ito kami. Pass inside. Intercepted na kuha ngayon ng Team Balok. Pass to Tigulo. Tigulo drives 2 points. Tigulo. Just 1 minute and 25. Bustos. Pass to Caben. To Caben for 3. In and out. Rebound by Villaroso. Pass break. Intercepted rin to Caben. Pass to Bustos. Bustos for 3. Too strong rebound. Na naman ako ng Team Balok. That's 1 minute and 5 seconds to play. Tulak tao. Short. Rebound by Aquino. Pass to Catalan. Catalan fires. In and out rebound. Put back. 2 points. Bustos. Last 40 seconds. Alright, same ball. 13 seconds to shoot. Score of the night, 94-73 in favor of Colby 55. Here comes Tigulo. Tigulo drives 2 points. Tigulo. 4-3. Tumasok din ang ibigay ko na kuha ngayon ng Balok. Pass to Tigulo. Tigulo pass. Okay, masyado nasa pasa. Last 18 seconds. Aquino. Last 10 seconds. Aquino. Pass to Catalan. To Caben. To Caben. Uy, hindi pumasok. Magkakapatid daw yung mga pumasok, eka. To Caben. Pass to Arabi. Pass to Beron. Continue to shoot. Beron setting the play. Pass inside. Hindi masok ang tira ni Miguel. Save ball. Turingan, back the ball. Pass to Arabi for 3. Wala rebound na ni Beron. Foul. Basket counted. Foul jersey number 25. Deliveries of hands. 2 shot. The bonus shot. Hindi pumasok ang bonus shot. Rebound na ako ang Turingan. Tumira 3. Hindi pumasok ang rebound pa ilong ball. Comprado. 15 seconds to shoot. Hindi pumasok din na lumuhin na ako ngayon ni Arabi. Pass to Beron. Beron pass to Caben. Pass to Adriano. Save ball. Toca bene, vale il ball, pass to Abrahano, 2 points, Abrahano. Balante connection yun ah, balante. Rus for 3. Hindi mo asang tira nga ako ngayon ng Timbalo. Loboy, 2 points. And pass to Abrahano. Oy, save ball.
Loose ball.
Ay, loose ball pala, sorry. Rus, pass to Toscan. Comprado.
1-2-1 mo.
Hindi mo masang tira rin ball na ako ngayon ni Arabin. Pass to Abrahano. Abrahano, layup, 2 points, Abrahano.
1-2-1 man. Mamaya 1-2-1 man.
Sarmiento, oy, save ball. 18 seconds to shoot.
1-2-1 man. Sundo ka.
For 3, Rus, 3 points. Oy, save ball.
David, dapat harap ang pwesto mo.
Torringano, inabitan mo wala na mga ngayon ng Timbalo. Ito na sa Lumboy na mabilis. Lumboy drives, Lumboy, oy, may tawag sa net. Foul jersey number 30. Arabit. Third personal foul, second team foul. Hindi masok ka muna. Second throw. Masuk. Score na line 8-1, 100. Hindi masuk niya na rebound na wala pa rin. Sarmiento, wala pa rin rebound. Sarmiento put back 2 points. Sarmiento. Yan, kumalang po sa 17 ang kalamangan. Here comes Peron, drives. Hindi masuk niya na rebound na wala ng Timbalo. Comprado pass to Rus, 2 points, Rus. 15 lang alamang. Toca Ben. Toca Ben, pass to Ringan, pass to Abrahano, 2 points, Abrahano. Pass to Comprado. Comprado, huli ka malbon. Nakuha ngayon ang Team Colvin. Ito sa Toca Ben. Toca Ben, luar pass to Abrahano, 2 points, Abrahano. Good press. Lumboy left, hindi masang tira rin ang nakuha ngayon ni Comprado. 2 points, Comprado. 6 minutes and 35, Abrahano to Toca Ben. Hindi masang rin ang nakuha ngayon. Comprado, continue to shoot. Cruz, pass inside. Pull up jumper, 2 points. Bumawal sa 15 ang kalamangan. Turingan, pass to Abrahano, pull up jumper, 2 points. Abrahano. Sarmiento fakes, fires. Hindi masang rebound na kuha ngayon ni Arabin, pass to Toca Ben. Toca Ben para move, pass to Abrahano, intercepted by Comprado. Intercepted by Turingan. Turingan, pass to Abrahano, 2 points, Abrahano. Sarmiento, pass to Toscan, 2 points. Peron, 2 points. To the volley. Tigro. Pass the basket. Pass inside. To Tigro, attack it. Tigro drives 2 points. Tigro. For 3. Hindi masuk di pintu yang ketiga, hindi masuk di mana oleh Sarmiento pass play intercept dari LeBron. Hindi masuk di rebound putback by LeBron. Tigro fires up, there's a missile. Foul jersey number 30, illegal offense, 2 shots. Running for white fouls. Arabic. Di pumasok ang tira Tigro. Centro. Hindi pumasok rin ang nakaparin Tigro. Tigro fires. Hindi pumasok ang putback by Sarmiento. Sarmiento 2 points. Catalan. 15 to shoot. To Catalan for 3. Hindi masuk tira di mana orang itu balik. To Tigro, pass to wide open man. Hindi masuk tira di mana orang yang LeBron. Pass to Guillermo. Guillermo fires 2 points. Guillermo. Last 3 minutes and 45 seconds to play. Tigro fires up, down. Foul jersey number 71. Blocking foul. Warning for penalty. 14 seconds to shoot. 4-3. Masuk tira pass dari teman ganti sa call between the back. Guillermo pa interception na ang ngayon team balak. Hindi pumasok ang tira rin na kuha ngayon LeBron. LeBron, pass to Barangan. Foul jersey number 14. Illegal defense. First personal foul, 17 foul.
Si Michael Lo. Soy.
Ayos na.
Second throw para kay Barangan. Hindi berpasok kay Barangan ng Tibalo. Tigro, 2 points. Tigro. Ano bounce? For 3. Hindi masuk tira ni Guillermo na ang Tibalo. Pass play to Tigro. Tigro fakes, fires, 2 points. Tigro.
Daming ginawa.
Score natin ay 114, 101. Guillermo, pass to Catalan. Back to Guillermo. Uy, nakagawa na ako ngayon. Pass break na ito. Uy, nagawa din Beron for 3. Too strong rebound by Sarmiento. Pull up 2 points. Score natin ay 103-114. 2 points, Catalan. Last 2 minutes. Two points, Baran. Tigulo drive, 2 points, Tigulo. Catalan for 3. Short rebound nakuha si Guillermo. Hindi pumasok rebound by Team Balok. Pass to jersey number 9. Hindi pumasok rebound, put back, hindi pumasok Tigulo, hindi pumasok Tigulo once again, 2 points, Tigulo. Babasa 11. Barangan for 3. Hindi pumasok rebound by. Last 1 minute. Uy, nice move. Hindi nga pumasok nila rebound na oh, there's a reason. Foul jersey number 30. Happy graduation. Penalty situation. Hindi pumasok muna. Second row. Hindi pa pumasok rebound by Peron. Last 50 seconds. Pass to Guillermo. Guillermo pull up. Hindi pumasok rebound by Peron. Peron fires to strong rebound grabs by Team Balok. Pass to jersey number 9. Pull up 2 points. Last 30 seconds. For 3. No good. Two points, Tigulo.